east on Lincoln Drive toward Tuttle Creek Boulevard, then turn left onto Tuttle Creek Boulevard. Turn left onto Tuttle Creek Boulevard. In a quarter mile, turn right onto Allen Road.
He's just so funny. I love the fact that he's crazy and he drinks. He always has great stories. Well, he screams at everybody. I can't take it anymore. Stop it. He's awesome. Hello, ladies.
Morning starting at 5 on the Z.
You say you'll be down in 5. The smell of your perfume is floating out.
Turn right onto Allen Road.
Up your hair like you do. I know that I'll be a mess the second that I see you. You won't be surprised. It happens every time. It's nothing new. It's always on a night like tonight. I thank God you can read my mind.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Northview Drive.
I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless. You already know that you're my weakness. After all this time, I'm just
Take the second left onto Northview Drive, then turn right onto Prairie Glen Place.
I'm speechless. It started when you said hello. Just did something to me. And
Take the next right onto Prairie Glen Place, then turn left to stay on Prairie Glen Place.
you took the breath out of my lungs, can't even fight it. And all of the words out of my mouth.
Turn left to stay on Prairie Glen Place, then you will arrive at your destination.
Staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless. You already know that you're my weakness. After all this time, I'm just as perfect.
You've arrived.
You walk into the room. It's always on a night like tonight. I thank God you can read my mind. You say you're looking me with those eyes. I'm speechless. You're standing there in that dress.
Hello. There's your drinks.
Yep.
And your burger.
Thank you.
I like your shirt. Well, thank you.